Welcome back Australia, New Zealand, Fiji and Mauritius. Please subscribe my channel for daily weather and cyclone forecast. Thanks. Tropical low in Western Queensland is associated with a thick band of cloud surrounding the system and embedded convection. Mid to upper level cloud from the outflow covers the northern, central areas and southern areas of the state. New South Wales is also starting to see the outflow from this tropical low in the north of the state. A southerly coastal flow is bringing low cloud into the eastern districts trapped to the east of the ranges, aided by a trough moving up the east of the state. Mostly clear conditions for Victoria and South Australia apart from the coastal areas where some speckled cloud is present. Although there is some fairly benign, high-level cloud branching across the central region of South Australia trailing off into New South Wales, westerly flow over Tasmania brings cloudy conditions sticking to the western flanks of the state, otherwise clear. A high-pressure system guides a branch of low cloud through central Western Australia and on the southern coastline. Clear conditions for the western parts of Western Australia. In the north of Western Australia and extending across the Northern Territory back to the tropical low in Queensland, there is a convective band of cloud which are bringing thunderstorm. Tropical Cyclone Kirrily will remain over Queensland's central west for the next few days, bringing the risk of significant and widespread rain and flooding to areas of the northern interior along with central and western Queensland. A trough will also move east across southern and southeastern Queensland over the weekend, enhancing shower and thunderstorm in its vicinity. A ridge will extend from the Tasman Sea into southeastern Queensland early next week, helping to push the coastal portion of the trough northwards into central Queensland and later in the week, further into the north. Heavy rain and strong winds for southern and central parts of New Zealand. A front is forecast to move quickly northwards across the North Island today while weakening. Heavy rain watches remain in force for Mount Taranaki and the Tararua Range, and a strong wind watch for Wellington until later this Saturday afternoon. Another front moves onto the North Island from the west on Sunday, bringing rain to many parts of the island, with heavy rain watches now in force for central areas. Finally, another front moves onto the southern half of the South Island on Sunday from the west, with heavy rain watches now in force for Fiordland and the south of the Westland District.